Hi everybody, back in Liverpool today, and I spied something a little bit different on the forecourt. So it's not a California, it's not a camper van or anything like that, it's just a standard panel van. It has been tweaked in a few little places, and I thought let's have a look around it and show you what it's all about. So this is a panel van, it's based on the Highline, but it's been away to Richter Sports, who do the ABT kits. They're the suppliers for ABT in the UK. I say ABT, but it's ABT is the correct pronunciation of it, as I'm reminded occasionally. So it's got the ABT kit on it, looking absolutely stunning. Let us know in the comments what you think about the green. We're half and half at Liverpool with it at the moment, but I think it does look really nice. So what's it had done that's different to a normal vehicle? Well, to start with, it's had a change of grille on the front. So this is a high gloss grille. Obviously it's got these inserts that's been colour coded to match, and these extra fins that come out at the side from on here as well. It's obviously got the black VW badge on the back, again all in that gloss black finish. We've got the extra inserts here around the front, so you'll notice from here brings it up very much like our Sportline type designs that you see with these, with the big gulls on either side. Brings it out nice and deep, and that's on both sides. And we've got the nice strip, the green strip on the side, and then it's got the ABT lower spoiler. I do quite like this spoiler, I think it's quite nice, complements the vehicle. Even so as well, if you obviously get the inserts done so it's colour coded. Looks very impressive, I think, from the front end of the vehicle. But moving down the side, a couple of other things that you've added on. So changed the colour underneath here as well, so gone with that one on there as well. So we've got the colour coded there, and then the gloss black on the inside of here as well. So again, we've got gloss black from on here and gloss black on the side bits on here on the wing covers. Let's not forget the big wheels. So we've got 20-inch wheels, painted calipers, so the calipers have been painted. That's a nice feature. We've got the side skirts, moulded side skirts as we come down, with the end caps again in green just to lift it up a little bit that's in there. And then moving around to the back of the vehicle, I do like this spoiler. It is a bit big, it is a bit in your face, but it is nice on top of the van. You almost could say this is like an A-Team spoiler, and then if you don't know what what I mean by that is, go and check out what the A-Team van used to look like. So it gives that kind of upper raised bit that's on the top of the vehicle, like it with this colour coded section. And then this is quite impressive. You look at the rear of the vehicle, so it's had a new bumper, spoiler fitted around the back of the vehicle. We've got the twin tailpipes that's in the back on both sides, and then again the colour coded section which is just under there as well. Now it's worth noting that this is just the front valance on the back, so the normal setup of the exhaust system is underneath here, as always it's on there, but never mind that, it is still a van, but it looks great from the back end of the vehicle. Rear badge has been changed again, that's gone for the gloss black on the rear badge that's in there as well. And then just to prove that this is just a normal van, if you have a look in the back, that's what it comes with. So I've got the old wheels still in here that came off the vehicle in the first place. This vehicle has been lowered as well. This has got the Bilstein suspension kit on it, so that's with the coilovers. So effectively what that does, it allows you to set the different ride heights. So that's the spring and the shocker which is in that as well, and it gives it that nice looking low profile that you can see within the gap that's here on the vehicle. So obviously it's this gap here which we're doing because we're lowering the vehicle down, so it's that section there. So as we move in, we have got the seat has been changed, so we've got ABT seats that's on here as well. So these have a combination of the leather and the suede insert into the middle that's in here as well, embroidered in the same colour as the outside. Like the look of these, very, very nice. We've got the ABT sign stitched into the headrest, looking really nice in there. That's it for today. As I said, just a quick look around, just spotted this in the car park. Let us know what you think in the comments box below. Does this colour, do you like the colour? Do you like the lime? Is it good? Is it nice? Is it bright? Do you like the kit in general? I think it's quite good. Leave a comment, let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time.